I'll never forget when Julius and Ethel Rosenberg were assassinated. We had a very dear friend who was a lawyer, one of my parents' best friends, and it really impressed me, and I remember talking to him about it. I also remember how the McCarthyism seeped into even the little public schools in the Bronx. My mother was the president of the PTA for years at my school. So, of course, I was very proud of that. But even in the PTA, they wanted to have kind of a witch hunt against people, mothers in the PTA who were socialist, communists. I mean, it was a hard time. Now, I'm a little kid, I don't really understand it all, but I remember dinners at my home, or big seders, or big New Year's dinners, Rosh Hashanah dinners, where the family would break up into fights and you'd hear, "Go back to Russia," if that's the way you feel.